Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a domain from Shopify. First, we'll access the Shopify dashboard. I've already got the Shopify dashboard open here. Now let's scroll down the left sidebar to Settings at the bottom. Let's click on that. On the Settings page, look for Domains in the left sidebar menu. Click on that and it'll open the domains page. To remove our domain, we'll locate it on this page. You'll see your domain listed as the primary domain for your store. There's also a myshopify.com domain that redirects to your main domain. We're going to click on this .myshopify domain. Let's do that now. After clicking, the config page opens. Here we'll click the button to change the domain type. Then we'll select the box that appears to make it the primary domain and click the change button. Now it's the primary domain, so it's ready to be removed. Let's click and the page will open showing a delete domain button on the left. We'll click it, confirm we want to remove it, then click remove. Now there's a domain with www. We'll do the same. Click open the page, hit remove domain, confirm and click remove. And with that, the domain is now removed. You've successfully removed this domain from your Shopify. You can change the domain, add a new one, or use it on another Shopify. It's up to you. The domain has now been successfully removed from your account. I hope this video helped.